Jtdco. My name is Shakira Green. I'm the founder of Jtdco.shop and the founder of Jtdco Branding and Community. So if you've seen my last video that I just posted, then you've seen me styling my versatile crochet. And in today's video is going to be a step-by-step of how I do the versatile crochet method. I usually do two different types of textures when I do my crochet style, but they didn't have another texture that had the 14, 16, 18. The other styles were either way too long or way too short, and it wouldn't have blended nicely. If it did, I would have just had to put way too much work into it, and I'm really kind of pressed on time. I'm gonna go ahead and get started by blow drying my hair out so that it can be stretched out so that we can get started with this braiding process. So
in this clip, I'm just starting off by flat twisting the hair that I'm gonna have for my leave out. As you can see, I'm not leaving too much hair out. It's literally just my edges. When I get done flat twisting the section off from my leave out, I'm going to go ahead and braid 3 braids at the top of my head for each section. So I'm going to have 3 braids at the top of my head for the left section and 3 braids at the top of my head for the right.
So once you have your leave out and you've flat twisted it out of the way, you go ahead and start with your 3 braids. I'm going to put 3 braids on this side and I'm going to put 3 braids on this side. These braids are going to give you the parts for your side parts and your middle part.
They see my pro, but it shows right. Third finger to my old life. I can't lose. Count up the blue. Spend nothing, reboot. Put on for the crew. It's a cool. Don't got no roof. So I can shoot for the star. So I can shoot for the star. So I can shoot. So I can shoot for the star. So I can shoot for the star.
Now, once you get your 6 braids on the top, you go ahead and work on the side. What I usually do for the side is make 1 braid going this way and then the other braid going this way, and I just let it meet up.
Tulips, I talk that true shit. I'm out here trying to smell the roses. While I'm still here, I'm at the crib, getting toasted. I'm off the dosage. My mind is glowing, set the blow up from how I mold it. Never forfeit, must be clutch, how the way I close it. Taking more than I can fold. Flip it, watch it close here. You might pick up on a pro tip. I got the torch, that they want my business to reside right by where they knows it. Give my image some distortion. Yeah, bitch, I come from where the floor is. Top ramen bullshit. I used to live off of the floor, so now I get portions. And say it's even on my loan, so my life record.
It's not the best, but I just added 2 braids right here and then put that down. I'm gonna do the same thing over here.
Wanna cop the crib with the cash bag, the last laugh for no mortgage. My mind spinning out of orbit, but right now I feel it's so right. Flip a 3rd finger to my old life. I can't lose. Count up the blue. Spend nothing, reboot. Put on for the crew. It's a cool. Don't got no roof, so I can shoot for the star.
Okay. It's time for the back of my hair now that I got my 6 braids at the top and the 2 braids on each side. And then 1 brings those back. I'm going to go ahead and part for a braid in the back. Because of the back of my hair is short, I'm going to use my to just help me get started with this back braid because it's the back of my hair.
So
I don't know if you can see, you might turn around. I did the best I can do for this braid. I don't know what that braid look like, so just I can't see. Anywho, so yeah, I usually just like to add 2 braids to each back piece. This first braid is probably gonna go into a braid by itself, and so it's this one braid along here, but the rest of the braids is gonna be two braids and connected to one braid to the back.
What's the word now? What's the links? Hit me up, we could go now. I got hella pieces, she got hella features. Get me hella geeked up, she be blowing shisha. Reefer on me loud, hope them boys don't creep up. I don't know a thing if you do not speak.
This is important as well because we're gonna connect these two braids to a braid down the middle, so it won't be, so you won't see that middle part going all the way back.
In my cup, all these girls showing up, but I don't give a fuck, cause you the one I want, girl, you the one I want. Girl, you the one I want. Hey, come and show me.
So the back of my hair in this case isn't really the most important, but I am going to turn around just so you guys can kind of get a glimpse of what it looks like. So this is the first pack that I already kind of opened. As you can see, the knots aren't, it's not that much hair, and it's not. So I'm hoping it's enough. That's why I got 2 packs, because I didn't notice that. And now I'm just about to crochet it in. I don't really have no particular method of how I crochet it in. I usually do 1 loop because this hair is starting off kind of silky. I might do 2 loops. But since it's long, I don't see it kind of falling out too much soon. And it's synthetic hair. It's connector line hair, which means it's going to nap itself up and kind of make a secure. So I'm going to start, of course, with the 18. And just go ahead and just start placing them in the back. This is not a step-to-step tutorial on how to do crochet in particular. So I'm going to just go ahead and crochet the back of my hair. Again, I am personal time. And then I will see you when I get to the front to show you the only difference that I have when it comes to crocheting the back and the front for this versatile crochet. Okay, so I don't know if you have to see, but I am at the very, very top. I am on my last 14 bundle. I have both of my sides done. I literally only have my 6 braids, and remember, we are going to be using these for when we do our parts, side part, middle part, and back part. So I'm just going to put one at the very top across here to show you guys how I've been doing all the rest of them, and then I'm going to show you how I specifically do the one side towards the part. So just to do the rest of them, I've just been double looping it, so I'll put it in through there. And that's pretty much it. I'm doing time. So that's just how I do the regular ones. Now when it gets to the top part, I like to take very small pieces, so I try to see where it's already gonna kind of split itself, and then I just continue with that split. And then so that I can have a very, very tiny piece. And then instead of the 2, I just really try to do like 1. So I just put it in here. And that's it. And the reason why I do 1 knot when it comes to the part is because when you do 2 knots, you can kind of see the knot like a lot. And these ones I definitely like to be a lot closer together than the ones like in the back, because no parts, no sticks. Now, because of the fiber of this hair, again, it's going to knot it by itself pretty easily. I don't really have to worry too much about it. And because it's super long, it's gonna take a long time for it to like come out. Even if it was to kind of loosen up, especially because I don't really do too much tugging and pulling and of this hair. This is just how I'm gonna continue through the rest of my hair. I'm gonna come back when I am maybe on my last couple pieces. Maybe I'll reiterate what I did to the top of my last couple pieces. Other than that, if I don't come back then, I shall see you when it's time to cut and style. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and everything is installed, and I'm gonna just go ahead and just style it. Oh, shit. And I'm just framing my face and cutting diagonal, and then I'm gonna style and shape it, and I'm literally just doing it. But I'm about to use the mirror so I can see, and then yeah. Okay, I'm kind of back. This texture not really giving me what I thought it was gonna give. I did run out of hair, y'all. Even with the 2 packs, I wound up having to pull from the back. And now, like, this side is kind of flat because I pulled from this side to finish this side. And I'm just all over the place trying to pretty much tame it. But what I do know is I don't want it falling on my face. I want it to be pushed back. Hence why I got my leave out.
Know the crown, I get guap, then flip stocks, you know it now. My baby's loyal and she holds it down. Play with my fam and I might blame you, but it's going down. Not gon' trip if the sun don't shine. Not gon' trip, you know I get mine.
This hair not giving me what I thought it was gonna give. This is definitely way too much for me. And with it all just being this one texture, it just looks so forced to me. Just gonna look forced. I needed to get a little older. So this is what it's doing. This is what it's doing. I think I'm gonna do a half up half down.
On the Zoom was destined since I left the womb. I'm staying silent when I'm in the room. From the soul, now you see me bloom soon, and it's to the moon. Stop making promises you never keep. Out of touch, never out of reach.
So hard. It could be savaged with the headband, but other than that, y'all, I can't get with this deep twist, French twist, deep twist. I'm not here for it. I ain't here for this shit.
I want all the loot. 2020 vision, I want all the loot.
For that, y'all looking like, did you just do all that to throw a headband and all that shit? I did. But then, honestly, it was worth the order an $80 headband wig that looked just like this. So, I chose to do a hairstyle with the most fucking hair on one of the hottest days of the fucking year, and I didn't think this all the way through, you guys. I didn't think how this texture would maybe come out looking, and this is what I got. I'm gonna keep it in because it's always somebody to take it out, and I can still side part, middle part, half up, half down, and it'll still be cute. Right now I think I'm just pressed for time, and you don't know how it is when you already got a lot of stuff to do and you're rushing. So what you're doing right now just seems to be either taking all day or everything keep falling apart because you pressed for time and you're rushing. So I'm gonna just go ahead and let this hairstyle marinate on me for a minute. I really am not feeling this. It's just a lot of hair. I'm probably gonna have to go in and just cut some more, and I was trying so hard not to get scissor happy, but come on, y'all. I look crazy. Not just saying that it can't come out super cute or that it won't come out super cute. I don't know, y'all. Y'all see what I'm saying right now? This the finished look. I'll see y'all in the next video, okay? Bye.